What are the various ways to make money with the knowledge of value investing and financial education? Not just with the ability to you know review this stuff, but how can you make money doing it?
Yes. So when anybody thinks about value investing, they think about, or investing at all, they think about investing in stocks. Maybe they'll think about investing in real estate. Maybe even a smaller percentage of people will think about investing in um, private businesses.
Okay.
Those aren't the only ways to make money from this knowledge, though, of financial education and um, investment education. For example, from my personal life, I've made money. I've written for investment newsletters and sites off and on for years, for since 2014. So what's that? 6 years now. Um, I've consulted with people worldwide, not just people, businesses worldwide on how to grow their businesses. I've consulted with a company here in the Tampa area where I live. Me and my partner we were trying to figure out they had access to $800 million. And we were trying to figure out how to find a company that they can invest in on the public stock market, a REIT, real estate investment trust. There's all different sorts of ways you can make money with this. And those are only a couple examples. The reason we want to talk about this today is because you can make lots of money doing this kind of stuff. And this doesn't even count Wall Street. I'm not going to even talk about Wall Street stuff because I don't have any experience with that personally.
So if you can make money, then you can invest money, then you can make more money. I'm starting to see a pattern here. I like where you're going with this.
Yes, correct.
Right?
And yes, 100%.
So you said that one of the ways was that you can write, or so you wrote for financial newsletters and things like that, and blogs. And
yes.
What are other? Well, I know the other thing you do is you actually manage other people's portfolios for them when they want you to do that. So that's a way to do it.
Yes.
What would be another one?
Another way. Yeah. Selling courses, selling your knowledge. That's another way. Mm-hmm. Helping people with their retirement, not even their retirement funds, but advising them on budgets and how to cut expenses and doing valuations of businesses. I just did one for a colleague the other day. I valued their business.
Nice.
So these are a bunch of different ways to make money in the investment realm with not even great financial education, just kind of proper financial education. I'm going to mute my phone.
Consider financial education and financial literacy the same thing?
Yes, I do.
Okay.